Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the beautiful butterfly koi in Heartopia. You'll need to be at least level 4 fishing. This is where you're going to go in near the flower fields. It's at the meadow lake actually. But basically you're going to want to fish when it is raining. So make sure it's raining. Again, make sure you are level 4 of fishing. Then you're just going to grab your fishing rod. I'm just going to use a perfume here so it's easier to catch because I've been wanting this fish, okay? Then you're just going to want to get your fishing rod out and just fish the koi. This is what the shadow will look like. It is a little bit bigger than the regular shadow they have. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I actually got it on my first try, so yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!